Do we go easy, normal, hard, or legendary?
Legendary.
Legendary.
Wait, 2 out of practice.
Yeah, I think heroic's good enough.
That's hard.
They look so much like
All ships fire at will.
This is the way the world ends.
Nice.
Wizard, new contact slipping in. What is it? More Bruce? Worse.
Okay, it's 9:46. Woke up around 9. Ate some breakfast. And we're back at it.
Bash your way a bit. So I bet you.
Can you start?
No, Uncle Nathan started.
My snipper.
Oh, wine dishes.
Go, 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 go.
Dad started with turret and I'm back with driving.
Oh, look what I got. Look at the beast I'm driving.
Oh, you got them.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
I'm driving this beast.
Oh. Here, we'll kill
Heart
that.
nuggets.
Take the
Here
two
it
of
is.
them. We need to guard it with our life.
Alright, you kill this guy.
We all love ghosts.
Oh, the health revives.
Oh, look at this.
Start a fishing workout. Oh yeah.
Oh, he got one.
Good lunch.
Yay.
All right. Get the chain out.
That is tiny.
Oh, actually, that's perfect.
Small guy.
Yeah, just barely touch it. So that way when the. Yeah, just like everything. Just practice.
Another one.
A little bigger. Back to kind of the same small size as the first one. Boom. That was a fish, wasn't it?
Here's a size here.
Yeah.
Wait, Dad?
Already?
Yeah,
What the?
Aw.
I saw it. It was like a big fat one.
Oh man. Oh, he went after it again. Oh, he got it this time.
Can I take it off?
Yeah. Another small one, but we're taking them out because anything under 13 inches should be harvested. So you'll eat them. Bigger. Probably the biggest so far. Probably like the second one. Oh, I got this one at the end. Yeah, a lot of smalls today. I mean, 97% are going to be like under 13 inches from the last study we did. As long as we get a fishing trip in, I'm good. Cook it and we can just chill. Oh,
We need to
drink
watch- yes.
pizza, fried fish, tartar sauce. All right, this is the biggest one yet. It's probably like 13 inches. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah,
terrible crash. Hey,
Yes!
We gotta keep that one too. That's a big one.
Yep, got it.
Good
Yes!
one. We're gonna have
My
some
first
meat.
one.
Oh gosh, man, that's hot.
Yes!
Well, I've been hitting the spots now, like where they're all at. Yeah, look at that.
The battery's starting to die. Should we
I'm gonna try to catch a sunfish at the dock before.
Oh boy.
Dude, I'm so happy.
Oh man.
back up, back up, back up?
Oh, dang, right there at the end. Oh yeah. It's a fish attractor.
All the fish stopped what they were doing.
Stop where they're at and point at the boat. All right, battery's dead. Backup plan.
Jumping in.
Still spinning.
Oh. Oh yeah, just brakes right. I'm climbing in.
Now.
Gosh, I got rocks.
Pretty good haul. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we maxed it out. We let like 3 go, replacing the smaller ones with bigger ones. So like 11 total, but an 8 harvest, heck yeah. So I bled them out before bringing them up here, so then the meat is really white, as you can probably tell. It's like no blood. It's the way to do it. And I usually save the biggest for last, so I do the best job at filleting. That's the hope, at least. Yeah, that should do it. Yeah, I keep back the other way. Whoa! Did our neighbor like put this hole here to keep us from going through? Isn't that funny?
I've never been here before.
All right, we're on our way to show you guys something. Never mind, I think they took care of it. Like, so this is right next to the trailer that I investigated in another video. And little did I know, either at the time or shortly after, this was discovered on the side of the road. Yeah, and so I know some of my family is up here just recently. They probably cleaned it up already. But man, crazy those things are here. Like, I still haven't seen one myself in person, but they're here. Don't do drugs, kids. And adults. Back to the cabin. Gotta clean up first. done. All right, we're gonna use some, that's reflection. We're gonna use shore lunch.
Flop. 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 Plate. Grab. Flop. Flop. It's gonna be good. Flop.
Okay, we got the campfire grill all set up with the griddle, canola oil heating up. I was never really sure like how to know when the oil's ready until I put the fillets on there, and so without having to experiment, trial and error, putting the fillet on and it not being ready, let's try another way.
So, like, where the sun is. Maybe not drink.
Nope. It needs to be hotter, so we're adding kindling. All right, it's hot enough now. It is time.
Yeah. It's already brown on the edges. Yes.
Oh man, not gonna drop them anymore.
So it's mid-August in Oklahoma, 93 degrees, and we got a fire going. I've always thought in the past, like, oh, I don't want to start a fire, it's so hot, but man, no, it is so worth it. Never let the weather stop you from doing anything.
Oh.
See how you guys did. How is it?
Awesome.
Bass is good.
Yeah, the movies score.
All right, we're back.
One. Go.
We have to hit his legs till it drops and climb into the back.
I need to drop someone off on this thing. Megan,
What?
hop in.
I can't. I clutched that.
Jump.
Come back.
Both scarabs down. Well done.
Austin too.
He just drove us off from that.
No, I tried to hit a ram.
All right, here we go again.
Oh,
All right.
there's an already.
Okay, this time I'm not gonna fall off.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Austin rolled over. Roll over. Here, I'll go first. Follow me. Stop. Okay, the floor tiles dropped.
Oh wait, what?
Alright, here we go again. Third time
Is a turn.
is another time.
Go to the left of that pillar and then we're good.
Oh,
Not
wait, what?
right.
How are we supposed to do this part?
Oh, Austin, we're cooked. I hope you know that.
I do.
Okay, that's not a ramp. Okay, good. Alright, was this fifth
Go
time?
to the left of the pillar.
Just gun it. Hit those ramps. Last time.
Oh, look at that. How did we do this?
Okay, we're in.
Brothers in one room, another pair of brothers in the other room.
Oh crap. Stop, break. I don't know what's on the other side of this. Whoop, that's a hole. Alright, we made it again. Okay, we're gonna plow through. Here we go. Oh no!
Oh.
Okay, Austin, can you get out then I go?
Okay, so we gotta keep going. Don't stop, even if there's a lot of juicy. Oh. Okay, if I can go in front of you and follow me.
And we fall in a hole.
Let's go slow. There's no hurry.
Oh, I thought it was a hole. Oh, jeez.
Okay, roll this over. I'm driving again.
I'm in.
Oh no! Don't do that, ramp! Yes! Okay, I made it past there.
But you can still die here, so just keep going straight. Don't stop.
Only on the little ones. Halo's ripping itself apart.
Okay, looks like we're running.
This is fun.
Oh,
A jump! What the heck? This falls? I can't go anywhere.
God.
It's pushing me backwards. That entire panel falls.
Who's alive? Is anyone alive?
I am.
Are you driving, sir?
Yes, I'm still driving.
Oh
Push on your. Flying
no!
now.
I hate the mini critters. What the heck? They just boosted me 5,000 feet in the air. What?
Oh, gosh.
Oh crap. I'll get to the next checkpoint. I can't drive this straight.
Halo's ripping itself apart.
Woo! Oh, look, I got on the panel.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, no. Where is it?
I just took off.
Come back. I'm still alive.
Oh yeah.
I'm not dead yet. Oh, no, I'm dead. Oh, what?
Why are you there? You're not supposed to be there. Wait. Oh, wait. Are you?
I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep going. We'll win the game. Hero.
One final jump.
This part is so hard. Like you need a turn.
And then they launched me 5,000 feet in the air.
Watch how it's done. Yeah, I think it's like the best part of the game.
Oh, no.
Ah, yes!
It's the best.
Dang.
Don't stop.
Jump on. Gotta get off here before it falls.
Go. Come on.
Sheesh, man, they're really yes! with this.
Do we need to shoot those flying things?
Yes.
Go, 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 go.
Okay. I'm putting all my trust in you. Oh, wait, faster. 30%.
Oh, no, 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 no!
No.
I'm just gonna put this thing so I can
Oh,
go
Uh-oh. Go around. We're kind of screwed.
Just keep walking forward one second.
Keep walking.
You just gotta make it past all these guys.
I'm not
So you
gonna
know.
go
Hey! You can't get a good
Careful. Okay.
No, I need to save ammo for the person.
No.
Ah, dang it!
Yes!
Oh, look at that jump! What a great jump. That is chaos. I'm gonna send
I just
this.
saw you guys.
Sending it.
Oh, oh, I ran into a wall, so I slowed down.
Darn it, it's all you, Landon.
Yeah.
You can win the game. It's going fast, look how fast he's going. What a good Landon. Oh, that's Austin.
No, this is me driving.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Oh, the wall saved me. Wait. Come on. Oh, I'm taking damage. No.
It's okay, just keep driving. Yeah!
Just keep
Oh!
driving, just keep driving, just keep driving, driving, driving. Just keep driving.
He's about to win. He's about to get out. Ah, jump it. Yes. Look at that perfect jump. No. Oh, oh.
So close. Come on. Jump. Okay, this is the final jump.
Oh man.
Go.
Yes.
Oh.
Crashes the thing. That was tense.
If only Bungie was still here making games. We got acquired. That was like my favorite part of the game.
That's the best part. The last one.
Hot Rod? No. Hot Rod? We beat Halo 3!
Yeah!